Here it is, the closest train station to my village. It's about 9 kilometers away from where I am. Now let's go inside. It's called Pon Song Kram. Screening desk, which is almost debunked now because there's no COVID-19 in Thailand, supposedly. This is the ticket office. Here's the timetable. From here up to Boyai, Udon Thani, Khon Kaen and Nong Khai, which are north of these. And then this side will be from here to Korat or Nakhon Ratchasima, or the city district of this province. So there are 4 trains on each way. So obviously this is not a very busy station. Okay, now let's go to the tracks. Here we are, on our way to the platform. Okay, I'm going to walk faster now. I don't want to bore you. I hope I'm not falling down the stairs. Wish me luck. I need it. The word for station in Thai is Sathani. Sathani. One more time. Sathani. Now, the word for platform in Thai is Shan Chala. Shan Chala. Shan Chala. 3 syllables here. One more time. Shan Chala. And you've got the spelling as well. Shan Chala. Now, let me give you a panorama of the village that surrounds this station. It's the village of the same name of the station, Pon Song Kram. That's a cute house. That house is also cute. I like the color. Lime green. It's a small, quiet village. Back to the old barn. Well, it looks like it used to be a barn. Time to go back. Let's go back. With the aging population, I'm wondering if eventually they will install escalators. Let's hope so. Almost had an accident there. That would have been tragic because I'm dramatic. So bye bye, Pon Song Kram. See you later.